More than 25 millennia ago, mankind began the first tentative steps to the stars. Equipped both with shockingly primitive technology and a burning desire for exploration and conquest, man slowly, blindly made his way to the nearest systems outside his own. With the discovery of the warp drive came the great expansion, as what was once a journey of several centuries became a journey of several days. Warp space was tricky and dangerous stuff, and not to be entered lightly. Many ships simply vanished, never to be seen again. With the discovery of the navigator gene, which allowed ships' pilots to make longer, more accurate warp jumps, interstellar travel became much safer, and soon men were exploring all of the nearby stars. Alien contact followed shortly thereafter, and, with grim inevitability, the first alien wars. The pattern was set. The Gene Stealers are the most enigmatic of races. Fierce warriors, they eschew the use of weapons in combat. Highly intelligent, they build nothing of their own, relying solely upon the technology of conquered people. Possessing an incredibly strong survival drive, they die fearlessly in battle. Vicious, destructive, they choose to conquer through seduction and infiltration rather than overt battle. At first glance, it is difficult to believe that a cunning and malign intelligence lurks within the Gene Stealer's bestial exterior. A Gene Stealer resembles the most fearsome monsters of ancient legend, a horror of teeth, claws, and glittering savage eyes. Protected by a remarkably strong carapace, through which protrude ropes of sinewy muscle, the creature stands in a perpetual crouch atop its clawed feet. Two sets of arms descend from its massive shoulders, one equipped with fingers, the other with powerful claws. Its long, thick head is equipped with a fearsome array of fangs and an even more frightening pair of eyes. There are 1,000 chapters of Space Marines, each of 1,000 Marines, 1,000,000 battle brothers. The best 100 Marines in each chapter are trained in the use of Terminator armor, fantastic battle armor created in the dark ages of technology. Also known as tactical dreadnought armor, Terminator exo-armor is a development of the sealed environment suits used by spaceship crews. Exo-armor is constructed from heavy-gauge plasteel plating, forming an armored shell that can withstand even the colossal impact of high-speed orbital micro-debris. It is the only readily available armor suitable for working inside the high-pressure casings of plasma reactor shields, or the extremely corrosive environments inside the holds of bulk chemical carriers. These same qualities, suitably enhanced by the Adeptus Mechanicus, make Terminator armor virtually invulnerable to most weapons. Terminator suits contain their own independent power supply and life support systems. They are heavily armed, and many also carry teleport homers, bioscanners, energy scanners, auto sensors, suspensors, and targeters for their weapons and communicators. Almost all Space Marine chapters have suits of Terminator armor and train a small number of their best Marines to use them. The suits are valuable and often very old. Many bear scars or medallions commemorating past actions and are treated with the reverence due to ancient relics.
Here are your objectives. Purge these points with flame. Amiel and Bethor must move to this area. A relic must be retrieved. Hurry! Proceed to this area. Advance to this room. Overwatch. Proceed to this area. Move to this point. Our casualties are low. All's quiet at the moment. Move to this point. Advance to this room. Overwatch. Watch this direction. Therefore, look to the Emperor! Amael, get out of my way! Amael. We are their doom. You have quit your mission.
Brothers, I bring grave news. A gargantuan hulk has drifted out of the warp. Imperial records have little details on its history, but it seems to be made up of at least 50 smaller hulks merged together. The whole infrastructure dates back several millennia. It is moving fast and heading on a collision course for Delvar 3. Millions of lives there are at risk. The hulk must be stopped. Unfortunately, we cannot fusion bomb it. We do not have sufficient firepower locally. Our only option is to board the hulk and progress through the darkness and unknown. We must find a warp drive and throw the hulk back into the recesses of the warp. Brothers, it may cost you your lives, but your actions will be immortalized in the history of the Blood Angels. Time is short. Once you have boarded the hulk, establish a perimeter. There must be some archived records held somewhere. Retrieve any you find. Act with haste, brothers. Bless your weapons.
Here are your objectives. Seal these doors. A power field generator must be positioned at this point. 2 Terminators must survive. All surviving Terminators must move to this area. An archived record must be retrieved. Sergio, advance to this room. I can see them. Sergio, proceed to this area. We must prevail. Sergio, did you right? Gotcha! My senses... There is no end to them! All's quiet at the moment. Objective met! Objective met! Proceed with care, brothers. I can hear them. Don't let up. Sergio, proceed to this area. There are hundreds of them. Lioness, get out of my way. Octavius, let me past. What was that? Sergio, advance to this room. Azrael, they're coming your way. They're getting closer. Sergio, to your right. Sergio, close this door. Keep your bolter firing! I can smell them. Hold them! They're close. Sergio, they're to your left!